Hello and welcome, it's Chilli Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I'm doing a hopefully a lovely little colander pour. Haven't done one for donkey's years. I am using thinner paint this time, so it will get a different result, but looking forward to this. It will be fun. Going to be pouring over this colander today and see what kind of effect we get. I might embellish it at the end or I might not, but I haven't done a colander pour for a long time, so I'm going to do it on this smaller canvas, and I think I might quickly go over the canvas just with some white acrylic. So this is just the same mix as I do for all the other paints that I'm using. Pouring medium and information in the drop down box underneath. Nothing's left as secrets. Oh, if I could find my tools, that would be a good thing. Oh, jeez Louise. Okay, here we go. Let's just give this a spread out first. Oh, that is a bit of a gooby bit. I'd like to give a base coat, especially with fluidart, because of course you're going to be either sliding, swiping, blowing the rest of the fluid over the top, and so this just gives a nice sort of slippery slidey surface for your design. I find everybody's different. Remember, it's your art, your rules, your way. So I'm going to put my little colander on there. Whether this works, I don't know, but we'll give it a go. So this is my champagne gold, which is 50% gold, 50% silver. So I'll give it a good splodge of that. I'm going to try and keep this base very minimalistic, she says, but I always go overboard, don't I? Keep it for now with the three colours and see if I do anything else with it. See if that's created a interesting pattern. Oh, it has too. Wow. So we'll slip slide this around, if you see what I mean. I just wanted to slip it around. Let's take it to every corner. Oh, that's quite a lovely effect. And there. Oh, that is just shimmering away as well. Maybe that would actually look nice, leaving that corner there. I'll just oh, I like it. I like it very much. Yeah, I've done these loads of times in the past. Trust my husband, start banging away when I'm doing a video. Or the Nelly. So any paint that's left on there I can scrape up because it's my nice wax-proof paper and reuse. So what I'm gonna do on this to gillify it, just bear with me, nothing but the one colour, keeping minimalistic. Oh, that's gorgeous, gorgeous. The balloon's getting a bit hard on the bottom. What are you doing in here, Rosie? Oh, that's beautiful. I'll put that on my wax-proof paper because I can use those, cut those, or the kids can cut them out. My granddaughters, they love it. Really does give a floating 3D effect. If you tried these floating blooms, I'd like to know how you find them. Oh, John! Oh, he's taking our solar panels off the roof. I told him he's too old to be doing stuff like that. He should let somebody younger do it. We're have to replace the system. Oh, that is just gorgeous. Gorgeous. I don't want to go overboard, she says. That's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Love it, actually. And just do some wispy bits. You don't have to, remember, your art, your rules, your way. Oh, that's lovely. I'm going to bring you down, have a little look-see at that. Just lovely, soft colours. I'm going to go and bang my husband on the head. False alarm, this silly sausage. I recorded my feet for some reason. I don't know what I was doing. Or I pressed record when it should have stopped. Blah, blah. Didn't get the close-up, but it is absolutely gorgeous. Super, super happy with the colours. So who'd have thought that from a colander pour, getting that awesome background to do these floating blooms, and the colours are just to die for. I'm just really, really happy with this one. What do you guys think of it? Is it a goer or a noer? But fun to use different objects around the kitchen, I think. So I'm going to have a look in my kitchen utensils to see what more goodies I've got that I can pour on or use, in my art room. So there you go. Please take care, lovelies. Bye for now.
Easy rider on the highway, station wagon going slow, windows open, you are basking in the bluegrass radio. It is easy now to see you with your hand out on the wind. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Pink azaleas by your driveway, shade our leisurely goodbyes. In your terry cotton sweater, with your arms sweeping the sky. It was then I had a knowing. You were waving till the bend. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Shadow to the coast, past the surf and whitewashed beaches, under cypress trees and smoke, carved like lovers into driftwood. On this moment I depend. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not